Today we're going to talk about Word Thief. This card game is, hey! Word Thief. This card game is a simple spelling game with a sinister twist. Not only will you use your own letter cards to score points, but you can also score points by stealing words from other players, then adding more letters to create new words. Sounds like fun? It most definitely is. Let's take a closer look. The game includes 104 letter cards in 4 different suits, each suit having a corresponding color. Yellow diamonds, blue spades, green clubs, and red hearts. There are also 4 wild cards and 2 scoring guides. You will also need some scrap paper and a pencil to keep score throughout the game. This can be done for everyone by one lucky player who loves arithmetic as much as they love orthography. Nerd! Setup is quick and simple. To decide who goes first, every player draws 1 card from the deck. Whoever draws the letter closest to the letter A will be the dealer. The dealer shuffles the drawn cards into the deck and deals 7 cards to each player. The remaining cards are placed face down within reach of all players, serving as the draw pile. With all that out of the way, let's get into the good stuff. How do you play Word Thief? So starting with a player to the dealer's left, using the cards in their hand, they must play a word. All words played throughout the game must be at least 2 letters long and be able to be found in a standard English dictionary. The words can't be an abbreviation, proper noun, or require a hyphen or apostrophe. So for example, I can use can, but I can't use can't. I thought they were going to say something again. Once the word has been played, the values of each letter are added and noted on the score sheet for that player. If the word results in bonus points, these are added as well. We will talk more about that later. If a word uses 2 or more suits, it can be stolen by other players. If a word played is all the same suit, it will score double, and it's safe from being stolen. It has been locked. Locked words, once scored, are discarded face up beside the draw pile. The player will end their turn by drawing back up to 7 cards, and play continues with the player to the left. Moving forward, all players have the option to steal a played word and add to it instead of playing a word from their hand. To steal a word, the thief must be able to make that word their own by either adding at least 1 new letter, making it longer, or by splitting it into 2 or more new words, adding letters until all the stolen letters are used to make that new word or words. This means a stolen word would contain at least 1 letter card from the thief's hand. The only addition that's not permitted when stealing a word is just making it plural, so that adding an S just wouldn't works. Now that you know how to play, let's talk about scoring. Add all the letter values for your made word together. That is the word's base score. As mentioned, if the word is made of only 1 suit, then you can multiply the score by 2. You will also be awarded 5 bonus points for making words 5 letters long, and extra points for each additional letter. Any player who uses all 7 cards from their hand in a single turn will also receive a bonus of 20 points. Now you might be thinking, well, what if I can't play? Not a problem. The scorekeeper will deduct 10 points from your current score, allowing you to then discard any 3 cards and draw back up to replace them. Scoring can be kept as a running total to see who is in the lead at any given point. Or values can be written down and the totals can be calculated at the end of the game, whichever is easier for the scorekeeper. The game will end when there's no cards left in the draw pile, and either one player has used all their cards, or no player can make a word with the remaining cards. The total letter values remaining in each player's hands are deducted from their final score, and of course the player with the most points wins the game. This gem of a game is recommended for 2 to 4 players aged 9 years or older. I think it's a great addition to all the amazing spelling games out there. with this one having tons of terrific player interaction, which makes the game feel very different and fun. Pick up Word Thief at your local game store or toy retailer today.
Because games matter.